Welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy, and we are going to continue with the Paper Pumpkin January Sending Hearts kit. So we'll carry on with that. As usual, the links to purchase items are in the area below the video. And if you would like to subscribe and sign up for notifications to find out when my next videos are available, that would be wonderful. So we have unboxed it and we have made this card, and now we're making this one. So I have all the pieces out. I've got the card base. I've got the die cut with the mailbox on it. I've got the little die cut for the greeting. I've got the greeting. I've got the die cut edge. I've got the ribbon bow that goes underneath. I've got my Puppy Parade stamp spot. I've got the greeting that says sending love your way, and I've got the stamp for the confetti, they call it, that goes in between the gold hearts. So let's get started. We are going to just fold the card base over and give it a bit of a push, and we need to stamp the, let's just start with stamping the greeting. And I'll just ink that up really well. So there we go. And then I will just pop this down on the greeting, on the die cut. Give it a bit of a push. And there we go. So it says sending love your way. And I'm just going to use the other side of the thing rather than take time to clean the stamp during the middle of the video. I will just ink that up really, really well. And using the guide, it goes in just like this. So I'll give that a push. And there we go. There's our confetti in between. I'll just put that off to the side. I'll put the lid back on my Puppy Parade stamp spot. Okay, so what do we need to do next? We need to tie our ribbon into a bow. And when you're not tying it around something, you just make your bunny ears and then you cross them over and you push the one ear through, and oops, it helps if you hold on to the tails when you do it. So you just make your two bunny ears, cross them over, and fold the one side underneath. I've done this hundreds of times, but of course when it comes to the video I can't do it. So there we go. So you just pull your ends out even the way you want them. And you can always trim your ends later if you want. So there we go. There is your bow. Don't like it. I'm going to do it again. Sorry. These fiddly bits do take so much time. So yes, we are just going to make our bunny ears, cross it over, push it through. If nothing else, you're learning how to make bows. And where is there we go. That's much better. So I am just going to tighten that up. Pull that down there. That bow is much, much better. I'm much happier with that. I'll trim my end off. Give it another pull just for good measure. So I need to use dimensionals. First of all, though, I am going to add the mat to the card front, and I am going to use my adhesive dots, and hopefully these ones are a bit more cooperative this time than they have been in the last video, because the last video they were a bit wonky. So I'm just going to peel that one off, put it down like that, and then peel this one off and put it down like that. Peel the paper off. See, these ones for some reason are just wonky this time. So I'm going to do my usual and peel it and then use the paper to stick it. So, and that one has come off all the way on its own. So we'll just peel it As I say, I do these videos so that you can see that you can do these only using items that are in the box. But if you do have your own adhesive runner or Stampin' Seal, I would recommend using those. They're much quicker, but this way you've got everything in the box. You can still carry on. So I am just going to position that and push it down, and then I'm going to take the side piece, because this is what we're making here, so I need to put the side piece on again with the dimensionals. We'll see if I can just peel the off and put it down. We'll put 3 on this one, like that, and like that. Okay, now let's peel our backings off, and we can build the card. Just like this. And we're just going to, because it's got the glue dots on, I'm going to put it up at an angle so I can line it up to where I want it to be, and then I can just drop it down. Give it a wiggle, and there we go. So it's attached to the side. I need to use dimensionals for the greeting, and my dimensionals are right here, so I will just peel them off and attach them. And I want, the bow needs to be just underneath. So I'm actually going to use a glue dot to attach the bow underneath. Just like that. So that's there. And I want it to be kind of off to the side like that. And then I'm going to put my Sending Love Your Way just over top like that. And then I'm going to use these little adhesive hearts, which are gorgeous, and I'm going to put one over the envelope so you can see it's sealed with love. And then I'm going to add a couple more of these in just up here in the confetti. So just like that. And that is the card made. So you can see we've made this card here. Anyway, thank you very much for joining today. And I will do, the next video I'm going to do is going to be using the add-on boxes and that to make another project. And then we'll do one that is outside the box. Thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.